As fall weather arrives and temperatures begin to drop, it is important to take the following steps to keep your fish healthy, your water clean and clear, and your pond looking beautiful. We recommend using the Aquascape submersible pond thermometer to monitor water temperature throughout the changing seasons. When the water temperature drops below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, begin feeding your fish Aquascape Premium Cold Water Fish Food Pellets. Our cold water fish food is formulated specifically for cold water temperatures, preparing the digestive system of your pond fish to keep them healthy throughout the fall and winter seasons. Stop feeding pond fish altogether when the water temperature reaches 50 degrees Fahrenheit. When the water temperature drops below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, start adding Aquascape Cold Water Beneficial Bacteria. Treat twice weekly for 2 weeks, then once per week. Our formulation of beneficial bacteria contains bacteria strains specifically selected for their ability to work in colder water temperatures. Cold water beneficial bacteria should be added throughout the winter season to provide cleaner water conditions and reduce spring maintenance. Before winter conditions begin, cut back marginal plants and water lilies. Remove as much plant material as possible to prevent excess debris from decaying in the pond over the winter. Over the course of the fall season, ponds begin to accumulate leaves and other organic debris. Use a pond skimmer net to remove as much existing organic debris as possible. Be sure to check your skimmer basket daily and remove leaves and debris that have accumulated. Before trees begin losing large amounts of leaves, we recommend netting your pond using Aquascape Protective Pond Netting. Stretch the netting taut across the pond and use the included stakes to secure. If desired, a rope can be suspended over the pond to create a tent. After the majority of the leaves have fallen for the season, the pond netting can be removed and stored. When you follow these recommendations, fall pond maintenance is quick, easy, and keeps your fish healthy, your water clean and clear, and your pond looking beautiful. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.